Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can delete a TikTok sound from your favorite or your saved list on TikTok. So here, I've already opened my TikTok apps on my phone. Then I'm going to just go to my profile and go to the save here. Click on a sound. So here is my list of favorite sound on TikTok. Okay, so if you want to delete one of the sound from your list, you can just click on this I don't know, horizontal lines beside uh, the sound. Just click on that and you'll be directed to the sound page. And to delete, you can just click on this buttons right here, add it to favorites, just click on that, and now when you go back, the sound has been deleted from your favorite list. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.